Purple Rose here, and I am actually walking my dog. Luna! Look at her! She's so pretty! I just decided that I'm out of the house, so now I make a video. What was that? Probably nothing. Come on, Luna! We're walking on the common road, they're actually walking a lot. There's a sewer up here that I usually check on after it rains or pours. I'm gonna try to get up here and check on it. Looks like there's nothing in there, but there's no point coming all the way up here. It's not check. It's at like 5. And I got off of school a little while ago. Okay, look at that. Covered. This area is clean. Whoa. Dang. Pretty sure that's poison oak. I'm not sure. If you know, comment down below if it is. Look at those 3 trees. Like a tiny little forest. It used to be way more, but you know, I decided to cut them down. Come on, Lana. Look up here, it's all muddy. This is as far as I can go. I don't want to go too far. I usually stop at the top of the sewer. Never actually gone up past there. I don't know. I was always told not to. Hey! Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera that much. Kinda trying to pay attention for where I'm going. I'm still really new to this. It's only like my 2nd video. Yeah. I like that quiet one. Usually there's different noises. Animals. I mean, there was a person out here once. Never caught their face, but they're extremely fast. Look at this. That's flash. Not literally. It's cloudy today though. I have a bad feeling coming on this road. I've seen this one person once. They'll crouch down. It's terrifying. They started chasing me. And then the detective downstairs barking. I feel like they got their attention. Yeah. I guess it's not that big. I was watching some Markiplier. Yeah. It's Purple Rose heading out once again. Bye bye!